What's up, guys? Today we're making these delicious Waikiki appetizers, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by cutting up a bell pepper and then dicing up an onion, and we're going to put those over to the side. And then we're going to take our ground beef, we're going to put our onions we just cut up in there, and then we're going to crack an egg. We're going to put gluten-free breadcrumbs and then almond milk. Also, while you're doing this, make sure you just preheat your oven to 350. So once we get all of those ingredients in there, I ended up having to move it to a bigger bowl, but we're just going to mix it all up until it's thoroughly combined. And then we're going to start forming our meatballs with this mixture. I used a spoon and it was a lot easier, but make them pretty big and it'll give you about, I would say, like 20 meatballs. Then we're going to cook those in the oven for 25 minutes. And while we're cooking those, we're going to make our sauce. So we're going to take brown sugar, and then we're going to take cornstarch and pineapple juice from a can. So we're going to have pineapples and the pineapple juice. So we're gonna add our apple cider vinegar, and you're just gonna mix all of this up on a stovetop on medium-high heat, and then you're just gonna keep mixing it until it thickens up. Once the meatballs are done, we're gonna stick them in our Instant Pot or slow cooker, and we're gonna cook them with the marinade that we just made with the pineapple juice, and then the pineapples from the can and the bell peppers that we already cut up. And we're just going to put that in our, if you're doing a slow cooker, then you're just going to cook it on normal for 3 hours. But if you're in an Instant Pot, we're just going to hit the slow cooker option, cook it for 3 hours. And then after it's done cooking, that's it. You can pull those meatballs out and they're going to be nice and round and juicy. But yeah, if you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe, and all right, bon appetit. It's tasty. It's more sweet than I expected, but still good.